the reason for the teardrops on my guitar. The only reason I'm still wishing on a wishing star. Tips will always break my heart. It's okay. Oh hi, so this is another question from my fan. They're asking about Trig Space. So this is a little song I wrote with Jessica Jingwei, and then we were sitting in Starbucks, because you know, Starbucks lovers and everything, and it just really spoke to us, and we did this really cool thing where we recorded it and everything, and there was like math involved, and it's just a really personal track, and it's one of my favorites, okay? So we're gonna listen to it now. Thanks, it's Becky.
Nice to meet you, time to learn. I'm gonna show you trigonometry. Soga, Toa, Chosha, Ko, the triangles, and I thought, what's that angle? It's pi by 3. It's the same as 60 degrees. Radians, not degrees. Please.
In order to graph, you will need to know the functions: sine, cosine, tangent, too. Don't forget about inverses. And so, here's the graphs. There's the secant and cosecant. Don't forget about the cotangent. Can't forget about the asymptotes either. So if you want to do a sine graph, this is what you need to know. It starts at 0 and goes to 1 and -1. Do the same thing with the cosine. Move it left by pi by 2. The tan's a little different. It has asymptotes. Now it's time for the inverse. Let's start with cosecant. It has asymptotes. When sine is equal to 0, secant has when cos is 0. Cotangent's the tan moved over. Time to write the trig test, baby. Not gonna fail. Moving on to other things, we're gonna show you trig identities. Sine squared plus cos squared equals 1. Don't forget you can rearrange. Sine over cos equals tan. Cos over sine is cotan. Wait, the worst is yet to come. Oh no.
Sine A plus B equals sine cos cosine. Don't forget to keep the sign, except you change it when it's the sine of cos, and tan is weird. It's tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A times tan B. When it's subtracting, just change the signs.
We're on to double angles. This part is really fun. For the sine of 2A, you get 2 sine A cos A. Cos to A can equal 2 things, like cos squared minus sine squared. It can equal something else. 2 cos squared minus 1. Tan of 2A, it's a little tricky one. It'll equal 2 tan over 1 minus tan squared. Now we know about double angles. 3 and 4 are easy as pie. Time to write this trig test, baby. Not gonna fail. Sine negative x equals negative sine x.
Cos negative x equals just cos x.
Tan negative x equals negative tan x. That's because of even and odd functions.
You forgot the easiest part of trig. To find an angle, use Sogato on the cast rule. If it lands in the quadrant, it's gonna be positive. But if it lands anywhere else, it's gonna be negative.
Okay, let's break it down now. For a sine angle, if it lands in the S quadrant, the angle will be positive, but if it lands in the T or the C quadrant, the angle will be negative. On to tan now. If the tan angle lands in the S or the C quadrant, the angle will be negative, but if it lands in the T quadrant, the angle will be positive. Alright, we're on to the close with the cos. If a cos angle lands in the S or the T quadrant, the angle will be negative, but you see, if it lands in the C quadrant, the angle will be positive. Now, wasn't that easy? Alright, back to you, Jess. Let's take him to the chorus. Get taught by Loma. We're not gonna fail this year. With terms like curvilicious and the number 23. Got a big wall full of posters. They're gonna keep me sane. Time to write this math test, baby. Not gonna fail.